reasons are many that I loved her fair. The strength of conviction, her black raven hair, her beauty so timeless, like an age that's gone by, like our love in the blink of an eye. She was one part a temptress that led me astray, but a lover so gentle and kind was her way. She was so warm and giving, no one could deny, but then gone in a blink of an eye. I kneel by her gravestone and pine for the day, but I'll take my place by her side. Until then I must live with the short time we had. It was gone in the blink of an eye. Well, howdy there, pluckers. I have a Sore Fingers again with you, something slightly different there for you. Music from a Celtic band called Dulahan. I think that's the right pronunciation. D-U-L-A-H-A-N, Dulahan. Okay, someone has requested a song from an album called The Blink of an Eye, and that was the title track from the album. Okay. So, without more to do, I am in standard tuning, and I have a capo on the 4th fret, okay, fret 4, puts us into the same key that the track is on the album, okay, and it starts off with this little riff, okay, so basically from the capo, 3rd fret, top E string, 1st fret, open, all on top E, and you do the same on the 2nd string. So 3rd fret, 2nd string, 2nd fret, 1st fret, 2nd string, open, 2nd string, okay? And then into an A minor, and you can either strum it or you can arpeggiate it. On the record it's a 12th string doing the arpeggiating, like. And you do 3 of those, and then you do another of those little riffs again, and you're into the song. Okay, so from the beginning, it goes, the reasons are many. So it's A minor, and this is, I'm doing it arpeggiated. You can do it strumming if you so wish, okay, but on the actual track it is arpeggiated on a 12th string, as I've said. Okay, so A minor, the reasons are E minor, many, that I G love her, A back to A minor, fair, the strength of E minor again, fiction. And this time we go to F. I'm playing an F bar chord. You could play just a simple F if you want, okay? Black raven, G, hair. Okay, got that? So A minor, da da da, E minor, da da da, G, da da da, A minor, da. A second line is A minor, da da da, E minor, da da, to F, da da da, G. 3rd line, A minor, da da da, E minor, da da, F, back to A minor this time, and then to G, cover I. That's the end of the verse, and it's the same for all the verses. Okay, so let's just go through that first verse, and then we'll go into the sort of chorus bit. Okay, so from the intro. Reasons are many that I loved her fair, the strength of conviction, her black raven hair, her eyes were so timeless, like an age that's gone by, like our love in the blink of an eye. Okay, then it goes into the second verse, okay, exactly the same. She was a blink of an eye. She was once a part of Tempest, E minor. That G led me A minor stray, but a lover so E minor gentle, and F kind was her G way. She was A minor so warm and E minor giving, not F one could A minor deny, but then gone in the G blink of a A minor I. Okay, so that's the first two verses for you. So from the beginning, let's do that again. Reasons are many that I loved her fair, her strength of conviction, her black raven hair, her beauty so timeless, like an age that's gone by, like our love in the blink of an eye. Second verse. She was once but a temptress that led me astray, but a lover so gentle and kind was her way. She was so warm and giving that one can deny, but then gone in the blink of an eye. And then we go to the chorus. At the blink of an eye, I kneel by her gravestone and pine. That's G, A minor. I kneel by her G gravestone and A minor, pine for the day. Just A minor to G and back to A minor there, okay? Coming out of blink of an eye. I kneel by her gravestone and pine for a day. Back to G, and I'll take my place by her A minor side. Until then I must E minor don't live with F short time we A minor. It was gone in a G blink of an eye. Then there's a bit of an instrumental, sort of flute comes in or something like that. A minor, E minor, F, A minor, A minor, G, A minor, and that little riff again. And then it goes into another verse, a chorus. Okay, and that's all there is in the song. It's just verses and choruses, okay, and the occasional that we just played in between the chorus and the next verse. Okay, so let's do that last chorus again. So coming out of the second verse, but then in the brink of an eye, beside. Let's do it again. So I missed that one. But then go on, blink of an eye. I kneel by her gravestone and pine for all the day, that I'll take my place by her side. Till then I must live with the short time we had, until gone in the blink of an eye. Okay, got the idea? And then we just do an instrumental bit again. A minor, E minor, F, A minor, G, A minor, and off to the next verse. Okay, got the idea? So let's just go through the whole thing again, what I've just did as the demo. So intro, 2 verses, chorus, okay, and then the in-between bit, the interlude between the chorus and the next verse. Okay, so here we go. Reasons are many that I loved her fair. The strength of conviction, her lack of raven hair, her beauty so timeless, like an age that's gone by, like our love in the blink of an eye. She was one part a temptress that led me astray, but her lover so gentle and kind was her way. She was so warm and giving, one could deny, but then gone in the blink of an eye. I kneel by her gravestone and pine for the day that I'll take my place by her side. Until then I must live with the short time we had. It was gone in the blink of an eye. Da, 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 da. There you have it. So there is obviously about another 2 or 3 verses to follow after that, and some more choruses, but you've got exactly everything you need to play the song. Thanks very much for watching this and to that, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.